or on any flat surface, you need to measure the height which starts from the ground level till the top of the top of the cone. Okay, and there is one more height we can see, which we can see over here. We call it slant height because it is slant, so of course it is slant height, and we represent this slant height with L. Okay, and the formula for curved surface area, for this curved surface area, we also call this curved surface area as a lateral surface area. So in the question, it can be lateral, it can be curved, it's indicating the same thing. The formula for curved surface area or the lateral surface area is pi RL. Okay, this is L. R, you can understand, radius of the base, and L is the slant height. Sometime in question, L will not be given, H will be given. So no worries, we will be finding L. You can see one triangle over here. It is a right angle triangle. Okay, it is a right angle triangle because I was telling that it is a perpendicular height. The height which we are measuring, it's a perpendicular height. So right angle triangle we are having, and from the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Okay, this relation you can use when you have to find the curved surface area, but L is not given. Am I making sense to all of you? If L is not given, you can write L. You can say that L is nothing but under root H square plus R square. Okay. H will be given in the question if L is not given. This is the formula for curved surface area, total surface area of this cone.
Pi r L bracket R.
Exactly. Pi RL will be there, the curved surface area or the lateral surface area, plus the at the bottom you can see we are having a circle. So only one circle we are having, so pi r square. This is the total surface area formula. Let's do the questions. In formula, anyone having any doubt? I told you this formula, the first one, okay, the second one, and the third one, a relation I have given to you. Whenever needed, you will be using it. Is it crystal clear so far?
Okay.
This much we are having in hand. Okay, let's start solving the questions. So the first question, it says that diameter of base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. A cone we are having, where the diameter is given, be careful, diameter is given as a 10.5, and you should be very clear that when diameter is given, radius will be diameter divided by 2. When radius is given and diameter, you have to find anywhere, not in this chapter, like every time we need radius only. Anywhere, when radius is given, diameter you have to find. If I am telling you that radius is, suppose, a circle we are having, and radius over there is 3 centimeter, what will be the diameter? What will be the diameter?
6.
6 centimeter. Okay, so don't get confused. It's very basic, but there is a chance that a student will get ended up getting confused, that diameter to radius, radius to diameter. So basically when radius is given, you have to do 2 times, you will multiply 2, and then you will be getting the diameter. And when diameter is given, for finding the radius, you will be dividing by 2. It must be crystal clear, like in your mind. So here diameter is given in our question number 1. Diameter of the base of the cone is given 10.5. Okay, and its slant height is given as a 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area. Very simple. Very simple. Curved surface area formula. Now only I have written pi RL. And here pi value, you have to take 22/7 every time. Okay. Otherwise, whenever you don't have to use 22 by 7, it will be specifically mentioned in the question that use pi as a 3.14. Then only we'll be using pi as a 3.14. Otherwise, 22 by 7 will be using. Okay. So pi RL, this is the curve surface area formula here. We have to find the curve surface area. Please find it, no?
Ma'am, I'm getting the curved surface area 165 centimeters.
Yes, everyone getting the same 165 centimeter square. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius you have to find with the help of the diameter. Will be having
165 centimeters.
5.25 into slant height is already given as a 10. Please do the simplification and tell me what is the curved surface area of the cone.
165.
Is it
165.
it's 165, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly, how we'll be doing the simplification? 525 you can write as a 525 by 100 if you want. See, this one you can write 525 by 100 if you are not comfortable with the decimal. Okay. Into 10. How we have written 5.25 as a 525 by 100? See, decimal you can remove like that. You can write in denominator 1, and since after decimal two numbers are there, so two zeros. Now you have to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay. 7 7 times 49, 7 5 times 35. So basically you just have to do the multiplication between 22 and 75. Okay. And then you will be getting this answer. Everyone getting it? Yes, everyone got the same answer. Anan, Samya, Sara, have you got 165? Let's do the next one. Find the total surface area of a cone. We have to find the total surface area. If again the slant height is given, so great. Total surface area formula, now only I have written it is pi r n plus pi r square. Please find it, the total surface area. Slant height is given as a 21. Diameter of the base is given as a 24. Diameter is given, not the radius. So please find the total surface area. Please do it now. I'm taking another questions also. Okay, I'm pasting over here. Please do it and let me know. Note it down. Slant height is 21 and diameter of the base is 24. Slant height is 21, diameter of the base is 24. Note it down and do it. I'm pasting the another questions also over here. Total surface area is 1244.571. Okay. Afrin has got 1244 plus 0.571. Yes, rest of the students, what you got the answer from here. Here pi is 22 by 7, r is we can see 24 by 2, that means 12, and L is 21. Similarly, pi is 22 by 7, r is we can see 12 square. Okay, 7 3 times 21. Now from both the term, can you see we can take out 22 common. If you want, you can take it out. Otherwise, let's convert it like that only. Okay, let's do the simplification and add them. So 12 3 times 36 into 22. And there we are having 22 by 7 into this 12 square. This will be 144. Okay, so yeah, you need to convert it in decimal. Still, I'm saying 22, just let's take out common. Okay, it will be better. 36, we are having 22 gone out. Here, 22 will not be there, and here also 22, we have taken it out as a common factor. Here we are having 144 by 7. Let's divide. 4 you will copy paste. It will not go 0. Okay. 7 5 times 35. 7 times 49. Basically, till 2 digit we will keep, but we need to know the third digit so that we can take the approximate value. So yeah, 20.57 plus 36. Okay, still we need to multiply 22. We are getting 36 and 20, that means 56.57, and in that still we need to multiply 22. Okay, let's do it. 22 7 times. If you want, you can break it. Okay, 7 2 times 14, 4 carry 1, 5 2 times 10, 1 11 carry 1, 6 2 times 12, 1 13 carry 1, 5 2 times 10. Just do the simplification and tell me whatever she has got. Are you getting the same, everyone? 1244.571. Are you getting the same? Yes or no? Hanan, Sarah, Samya, Rayan, are you getting the same?
Yes.
Okay, Hanan, you are getting. Sarah, Rayan, doing it? Do it. Yes, it looks like 1464.54. Let me check.
Ma'am, I got the answer as
What you got?
14.454.
Okay, let me check what exactly will be the answer. Okay, because I am getting this. Okay, once let me confirm.
Now 1244.58.
1 to 4, 4.5, right? Okay, she has also given the same answer. So I think there is something I have written incorrectly. Let me check. You have used the same formula, right? Pi r L plus pi r square, right?
No, I used pi r bracket r plus l because pi r was common in that.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay. Pi r is common. It's the same formula, r plus l. We can write this one as this one as well. Whatever way you are doing the calculation. Yes. Yes, everyone. You can write this formula. Basically, this is the formula, and from here only it is coming. That pi r you can take out common, and you will be left with l plus r or r plus l. It's the same thing. Okay. So even if you are doing it separately or you are doing it like this, our answer must not vary. Okay, let me check where I have written anything like incorrectly. Yeah, it is correct still here. 144 divided by 7 I have done. Just a second. No? Yeah, that way the calculation is much easier. Okay, please don't do this way. Otherwise, you will end up getting confused. That way, I can see the calculation is much simple than this one. Okay, pi r plus l when you will be taking, you will be getting answer very easily. Okay, otherwise this simplification you will end up getting doing the doing just writing any number incorrectly or anything. Just take the this version of the formula, that is pi r plus l. Basically both are same. Okay, we are not doing any, we are not using different formula, it is same. So pi r is 12. Okay, and r plus l, that means 12 plus 21. This way you will find that here we are getting 22 by 7, here 12, and here 3, and here is it 33? Is it 33?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to do the multiplication of this all, and you have to divide it by 7. It is better than the
8712.
previous one. Okay, you just have to straightforward do the multiplication of all, and you have to divide with 7. Yes, you will be getting this answer. Whatever Afreen has got, 1244, and Ryan is also getting the same. Yes, Hanan, Sara, are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this will be the answer. Let's continue. This is our third question, which says that curve surface area of a cone is given. Just a second, no? Here it is given that curve surface area of the cone is given 308 centimeter square, and slant height is given as a 14 centimeter. Okay, a cone we are having whose curve surface area, that means pi r l, is given as a 308. Okay, slant height is given, l is given as a 14 centimeter. Find the radius of the base. Please find it, no? Please find it. And also find the total surface area of the cone.
Ma'am, the radius is 7 centimeters.
7 centimeter. Yes, everyone is getting 7 centimeter as a radius.
Ma'am, I am getting 49.
Yes, Ryan, what are you getting?
49.
49. Okay, let's check it over here. So pi is 22 by 7. If you will shift pi to the other side, it
Oh,
will
wait,
go in
wait,
the
wait.
denominator.
After
R will
that's
be
seven,
nothing but,
seven.
yeah, what?
Ma'am, it's not 7. I added the 7.
Okay. Seven will be the answer. Okay. Yes, we are getting 7. Please find the total surface area also. The formula for total surface area is same. Okay, pi r l plus pi r square or pi r in bracket l plus r plus l, whatever.
Ma'am, I'm getting the total surface area 462 centimeters square.
463. Yes, everyone getting same. R is 7. Okay. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 7. R plus L. That means 7 plus L is 14. So 22 into 21. This much only you have to do. And you will be getting the answer.
Now I am getting 462.
Same. Okay. Yes, this will be the answer. Everyone is getting the same. Just a second. No? Yes, everyone is getting the same. R as a 7. Yes, Hanan, Sarah, everyone, are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for doing the calculation, no one is using the calculator, right? Right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please don't use the calculator, because in another batches when I take classes, student do use calculator. And the best example of using the calculator, you can see, I can teach you everything. I'll be explaining you all the concept, but while doing the calculation here and there, because we are so used to using the calculator, after class 12, we were allowed to use the calculator and we have used scientific calculators. So now we'll be doing simple simplification calculation. I'll be teaching you everything, but the calculation you must have observed. So please don't use. These are the demerits of using the calculator for such a long time. Okay? Don't use calculator. Never ever use calculator. Otherwise, your calculation will not be correct, let me tell you. And now you are not allowed to use the calculator as well in your exam. Okay? So yeah, let's continue. Uh, This one done. Total surface area of the cone. Yes, everyone is getting the same. Just we need to multiply this 22 with 21. Okay. Next one. Uh, a conical tent is 10-meter high and the radius of the base is given. Height of the cone is given over here. Radius is given over here. What I was talking about, that sometime height will be given. Okay. And here what we have to find at first, the slant height. I have given 3 formulas. The first one was finding the curve surface area, which is also known as the lateral surface area. Next formula, I have given the relationship between the slant height and the radius. Okay. And third formula was the total surface area. So here a conical tent we are having, which is 10-meter high. Okay. 10-meter high conical tent we are having. That means the height is given as a 10 meter. And the radius of the base is given as a 24. R is given as a 24. And what we need to find is the slant height. L we need to find by Pythagoras theorem. You must have noted the formula, right? I'm talking about this formula, that L is square, the third formula. Can you see this screen? L square is equals to H square plus R square. This formula you will be using and you will be finding the L value. Please find it and tell me what are you getting as a L.
Last I am getting root 776.
Yeah, what? L is? Yes, Ryan. Can you please repeat?
I am getting till root 776.
Okay. Yes, everyone. Are you getting the same?
Ma'am, I am getting 26 meter.
Okay. L is under root h square plus r square from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So h is 10. That means 100. And r is 24. That means 24 square will be
576.
676.
576. 576 plus 100 will be 676. And yes, it is 26. Okay. This number 676 is a perfect square. You will be getting 26 from here. Okay. Since we are talking about the length, we are not taking the negative sign. Okay. L square is equals to h square plus r square we are having. We must know that when you will be taking a square root on the other side, plus minus sign will come, but we'll be sticking to the plus sign. What am I making sense? What I'm talking about? Whenever you are having a square, x square is equals to 36, x will be plus minus under root 36. But this plus minus we don't write every time. Here, why we are not writing? Because we are talking about the length, the distances, and that can't be negative. Getting it? Why plus minus sign is there? Because we know that plus 6 square is also 36 and minus 6 square is also 36. That's why these two both are the answer. X value will be plus 6 also, minus 6 also. Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, plus minus sign we are not taking over here. In future we'll be taking. You should just know it. Okay. So yes, if you have found the slant height, that is 26, please find the cost of canvas required to make a tent. If if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70, what we have to find from here? Anyone?
CSA.
Yes, curve surface area will be finding. Curve surface area, pi r L we will be finding. L we already know 26. Pi r L we will be finding. Okay, you can understand. Tent means basically the overall lateral surface area, the curve surface area. Okay, that will be finding. And the cost is given as for 1 meter square, the cost is 70. So whatever you will be finding the curve surface area, accordingly you will be finding the total price. Please do it, everyone. Do it, no? cost is rupees 137280. Everyone is getting the same. Please tell me. Since we are talking about the tent, that means curved surface area of the cone. Okay. First, you need to find the curved surface area pi r. R is already given 24. L we have already found 26. Okay. Pi r L. And then 1 meter square cost is given as rupees 70. Okay. First, you will be finding the curved surface area. Total area required to make tent. CSA. Okay. You will be finding the value over here. You know R, you know L. Now the price is given this much centimeter square or meter square. Meter square. Okay. You know already. Already you know that for 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 70. So for this much meter square, whatever you have found, we'll be finding the cost. Yes, please tell me what are you getting? This was we were having, right? Okay, this is the curve surface area. Now, rather than doing the multiplication of these numbers, you can do the multiplication of 22, 24, 26. Okay, 22, 24, 26, you can do the multiplication and you can write divided by 7 as it is. Okay, when we'll be finding the cost, the denominators, this 7 will be able to cancel out. Okay, what I'm talking about, I'm saying that please do the multiplication of 22, 24 and 26. Let me do it.
I got 137280 rupees.
Okay. Yes, Afreen has also got the same. 528, and if we'll be multiplying 26 with it, we'll be getting okay. So basically just write as it is divided by 7. Okay. Uh, is it 13728? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll be finding for 1 meter square the cost is 70 rupees. So for this much 13728 over 7 meter square, the cost will be 13728 by 7 into 70. Okay, this is gone and we are just left with 137280. This is the total cost of whatever area we are having. Getting it, everyone? Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move. Next one we are having. What is the? Just let me wipe it from here. Just a second. I'm wiping this all. Okay. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter? A tent we want whose height is 8 meter. Okay. And base radius is 6 meter. Okay. Assume that extra length of the material that will be required for a stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Okay, this is the extra. Just a second. No? 3 meter wide and this 20 centimeter. Okay, basically we need to find the area from here. Yes, anyone, what can be done from here?
Ma'am,
Again,
first
we want to, yes,
height.
yes.
First we have to find the slant height.
Hmm. Then,
Then the curved surface area.
yes, because again we need to find the tent. Okay, the what will be the total cloth required to make the tent. So curve surface area will be finding. Okay, specifically it will be mentioned in the question that for the tent we need the ground, the like cloth for just keeping on the ground. Then we'll be taking the total surface area for the ground also we'll be considering. Otherwise, whenever tent related question will be there, we will be only assuming the curve surface area or the lateral surface area. So yes, first you need to find the curve surface area. Please find it first. Please find the curve surface area first and tell me what are you getting. Here specifically it is given that pi is 3.14. So until or unless it is says, okay. So here pi is given as a 3.14. We will be using this 3.14 over here. Okay, instead of 22/7. Please find the curved surface area. First you need to find L value and on the basis of L value you will be finding pi RL. Please do it now first.
Curved surface area is 188.4.
188.4. Yes, everyone getting the same. Is it 188.4? Yes, everyone is getting the same. Yes, Afreen, Hanan, Sara, are you getting the same curve surface area?
Yes, ma'am.
188.4. Everyone is getting the same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see now what can be done. So here the question says that what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide? Okay, a cloth basically we are having which is 3 meter wide. Okay, what will be the length of this cloth? Which will be which we are going to use, this we are going to use and we are going to make a tent out of it. The tent is having, the height was given as a 8 and the radius was given as a 6 meter. We found the curve surface area of this tent is 188.4. A cloth piece we are having, a tarpaulin we are having, out of this tarpaulin we are making a tent. Okay, so that means, can we say this area and that area must be same? Yes, we can say that, but one condition is also given over here. Okay, what length of tarpaulin, 3 meter wide, will be required to make a conical tent whose height and radius is given? Assume that this is the condition which is added over here. Okay, the condition says that assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching the margin, extra length, okay, the material's extra length that will be required for the margin, okay, the cutout, the margin, okay, margin and wastage, that is 20 centimeter. Okay, the extra length which will be required, which will go in the cutout portion, that is 20 centimeter. Total length is not 20 centimeter, the extras, okay, this extra, that extra combined together, if this is x, that is y, this x and y added together which is going in the margin is 20 centimeter. This extra length is given. Okay, so what was exactly the length which we have to find? So can we say, first thing first, try to understand, whatever cloth you are having, out of that we are making the tent. So we can say that area of the cloth will be equal to area of the tent. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say that. Now here the condition is given. Here the condition is given that it's a rectangular cloth. So first let me write the rectangle's area. Okay, this area, what will be the area of this shape? Length into breadth. But here length is,
L into B.
in this length 20 extra was there, that is the actual length. Okay, even if it is going for cutout or whatever, that is the actual length. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, into breadth, this area actually we are using for making the tent, and that is having an area 188.4. Is it making sense to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now breadth is already given, that the clothes breadth is 3 meter wide. This width is already given. We'll be putting it over here, we'll be substituting over here. L plus 20, okay, is equals to 188.4. Let's try finding L from here. Yes, Afreen, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, 188.4 by 3 also you can do, or there you can use the distributive property like 3L plus 60. This way also you can do. Okay, please try finding L from here and tell me what are you getting as a L.
62.8
62.8
meter.
meter. Everyone is getting the same. Everyone is getting the same. Am
Ma'am,
I done?
42.8.
42.8.
8.
Okay. In this 42.8, if we'll be adding that 20, we'll be having the actual length, right? Right. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. It will be
Do we have to
62.2.
change 20 centimeters into meter?
It we have to find the total length. What length of the tarpaulin? Okay, what is the total length if 20 centimeter is going in west? So what is that extra length? It doesn't say the total length we have to find from here. Getting it?
Okay.
Everyone getting it? Hanan, Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it says what length of the tarpaulin. What exactly is the length, proper length of that tarpaulin? If this condition is fulfilled, the extra length, like something is going in the cutout portion, that is 20 centimeter. Okay, actual length we have to find. Okay, same question you could have also done if we'll be taking, suppose the length, whatever the length is. Let me check whether this way will it be, is it possible to get it or not. Yeah, see, directly also we are getting the actual length. Can you see it? From here we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
understand, from here there is a cutout portion. Okay, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can do it this way also. Yes, Afrin, is it clear? Okay, I'm keeping this much over here. Okay, let's continue the same in the next class. Till then, yeah, we'll be continuing the same and we'll cover the complete chapter. Okay, yes, Afrin, you have also done like this, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes, what you said?
No, ma'am, I have not done like this.
How you have done?
Ma'am, there is length is not given and the breadth is given, which is 3 centimeter.
Yeah,
So I have put 188.4 by 3 for getting
hmm.
the length, which is 62.8 meter.
Yeah,
It is given the extra length of trampoline for margins is 20 centimeter. Then I
yeah,
found 0.2 meter. Thus,
yeah.
now the total length of tarpaulin required 62.8 plus 0.2, which is equals to 63 meter.
Okay, just a second. Have I pasted the incomplete question over here? Just a second. Just a second, everyone. What length of tarpaulin 3-meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8-meter and base this one? What exactly is the length where the 3-meter wide tarpaulin we are having? Okay, area of this one is equals to area of that one. Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20. Okay, meter, centimeter, these are also involved. Yes, okay, this is 20 centimeter. Just a moment, everyone, please don't leave. Okay, yes, meter is there, centimeter is there. These units we have not taken carefully. Okay, your curve surface
And
area
that
you
time
have
is
already found. Your curve surface area you have already found, that is 188, right? 188.4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we understand area of the sheet must be equals to the area of the tent, right? Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me write it over here. That we understand area of the sheet will be equals to area of the tent. That means it is rectangular in shape. Length into breadth is equals to area of the tent, that is 188.4. From here we were getting length. We were already getting length as a 62.8. Directly also you can do like this. Just a second, no, 62.8. Okay, this is the length. Now assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching the margin. Oh yeah, it says that apart from this length, extra length is also required for stitching the margin and for the wastage. That is 20 centimeter. Yes, she has done it correctly. Extra length is also required over here. This is the length we are having. Okay, whatever we have found the length, this is the length. Okay, please don't follow this method where we have just added this 20. This 20 you could have taken, but you can do this way, but here you must take this 20 in meter, that will be 0.2. Okay, this 20 in meter, that is 0.2. Okay, if you will be doing this way, then also you will be getting the answer. Let me do it this way also. You will be getting 0.6 over here. Okay, that means you need to do the subtraction. Let me write it directly. Just a second. We will be getting 187.8. Just a moment now. Just a moment. Better you do this way only. Okay. You do this way only, that the length into breadth. This is we are getting. The length is 62.8. Okay. And